Welcome to Jayden's Toy Box. Today, we're gonna have a part 2 of my weapons. So let's get to it. First, we have this barbed wire baseball bat. And we have this sledgehammer. I think I already did this one. Yeah. On this side, I have this battle sword. And we have this sword. Another sword. And we have this pistol. I think I have 2 of those. We have this gun. And we have a sniper that can do. And this big machine gun. This laser gun. And we have a ray gun that we made. And another Airsoft. And we have this pixelated gun. And we have this knife. And we have this crowbar. It's awesome.
It's like foam or rubber, right?
Yeah, like rubber foam, kind of. I just put that down there. And we have a double-barreled shotgun. I think we're out of taking the batteries. And we have a grenade. And we have this wrench right here. The top kind of came off, though. And we have a revolver. This is also an Airsoft. I have a bunch of Airsofts.
Show us how it opens.
Right. Like you pull that back and this, and you put the bullets in.
Dump out the bolts down here so I can see.
They're just the shells, actually, right now.
Oh, the shells come out. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, let's put them back in pretty fast. Let's pull it. Yeah, this is one of my favorite Airsofts.
Good job.
And we have a machete.
Oh.
And when you put it down, blood goes up.
Let's see.
I accidentally dropped it.
Oh.
And then when you put it down, it goes down. And then it looks like a bloody machete. This, I have this. And this top thing kind of comes off, but that's... Alright, let's put that out. We have this pocket knife. And another ninja star from the last video.
Yeah, and if you guys are watching this, make sure you go check out part 1 of Jayden's weapons.
Yeah, he didn't check that already. And we have this knife thing. I don't really know what it's called. Alright, we're only gonna do a few more. We have this small gun thing.
Looks like we're going to have to do a part 3 video,
Yeah.
Jayden.
Sorry if that was kind of loud. I have this shotgun. There's bullets in it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys this. Alright, so you can really put these shotgun shells in it. And then when you take it out, the bullets come out. That's pretty cool. And we have another real looking knife.
Oh, it looks like when you stab someone, it goes in their skin. Stab my hand. Ugh.
Right.
Let's do 5 more.
Alright. We have this katana. And I've been waiting for this. We have this gun, but the magazine came out. But when you put the magazine in, it does that sound.
Let me hear it shoot.
And this is a cap gun. And we have this big Fortnite rocket launcher. Ugh.
Is that a water gun?
Yeah, it's a water gun. And we have another small Airsoft.
Alright, 1 more for this video.
Alright. I'm gonna show you this. Get off the hook. Alright.
What is that?
It's this pirate hook. Arr.
Nice. Alright, Jayden. You guys stay tuned for part 3 because we still have a whole bunch more weapons in there to show you.
Yeah.
Check out part 1 if you haven't already.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.